You have to find out the age. That means length or breadth or height. And since I want to say you that math is very easy just if you can understand what has been said in the question. Question is most important to solve the math. Solve is very easy. Just if you can understand the math question clearly, then solution, then explanation, hints is very easy. I will teach you how to find out the solution, but you have to understand the question. And for this, I will always provide more emphasis on this question analysis. You can see that in 50 number maths, the volumes of two cubes slowly, gradually, you will understand line by line, words by words. Okay, the volume of two cubes. There has been said about the volume of two cubes. Suppose there are two cubes. This one is cubes. This one is a cube, and this one is another cube. This one is another cube. Okay, this one is another cube. There are two cubes. Are the ratio of 60? Are the ratio of 64 and 125? The volume of these two cubes are 64 and 125. 64 and 125. The volume of this first cube is 64 and the volume of the second cube is 125. Okay? It has been said the volume of the two cubes are in the ratio 64 and 65. This is the ratio. There has been said ratio. So let the volume of the first cube is 64 and let the volume of the second cube is 125. What is the ratio of their age? You have to find out the age. That means dimension. You have to find out the age. You find out the age. You have to find out the age. That means length or breadth or height. Any of them. This is the age. So what is the age of this cube? When the age is A, that its volume is A cube. When the side is A, volume is A cube. Similarly, when the volume is A cube, sine is root over A cube. If the volume of this cube is 64, so the side is 64 root cube. 64 root cube. 64 root cubes, that means 4. So we can say the volume of this side is 4. So the volume of this cube is 64 and the length of the side or the age is 4. In the same way, the volume of the second cube is 125. So the side is the 125 root cube. That means 5. There are two cubes, first cubes and second cube. The first cube and second cube. The ratio of the two cubes volumes is 64 and 125. Let the first cube is 64 and the volume of the second cube is 125. So in case the age of the first cube is 4 and the age of the second cube is 5. Here has been said what is the ratio of their ages. The ratio of the age 4 is 5 and this is the answer.